a shakeout run.
Congratulations, sir. You have done it.
So no run today, because there's no run today, but we have gymming today because when you cross the finish line, your biceps should show. But just kidding. We are here at Ladakh Fitness Center. Pretty cool gym. You get to see the mountains. We are going to do some chest and some triceps today, very light. Doing a taper basically means we are lowering either reps or weights or sets. The idea being to stimulate the muscles just a tad without putting too much load on them, because our main focus right now is the run, which is going to be on the 14th. It's the 10th today. So just a little bit of pump.
Why do you come here?
Machinery doesn't matter. A. B, this is a non-negotiable. This is what makes us very happy and swole and pumped up. So wherever we go in this world.
Basically, just some time back I was very angry, but I feel a little less angry right now.
That's another reason.
Because I worked out.
Yeah, even if we don't have access to a gym, we would do something, a run, body weight workouts, or even a hike or a run, something that gets our blood flowing, because then after that is the only way our mind starts working. I can't think straight if like I'm just lazy the whole day. My thoughts will be lazy, my actions will be lazy. But if I do something consciously towards something physical, I feel much more in the moment.
If they get bored, they're not worthy of this vlog.
Today is your birthday, girl's birthday. How do you feel?
Today is my birthday girl's birthday. Huh?
How do you feel?
I feel great. We are going to a place called Pathar Sahib Gurdwara for blessings of the Almighty.
Oh wow.
Then we go to Alchi Monastery. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's a 1,000-year-old monastery and has a restaurant called Alchi Kitchen or Alchi Restaurant. And apparently it's been kind of the owner / chef has been given a national award. So I'm looking forward to that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये गाए तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू लाला. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू लाला. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
अच्छा नहीं करना भाई.
A shakeout run. One day prior to the event, the idea being to run very slow, controlled, ensure that the body is in a ready state and you don't want to rest too much, otherwise your body will just kind of tighten up. So this is literally just to lose things up, keeping in mind not to add any kind of fatigue to the body. And obviously this is the last stadium run for us.
guys, I'm Veera because Mansi says that nobody knows me, which I'm sure nobody knows me. This is Siddharth and this is Tanzin bhai. Come on. हम जब भी लद्दाख आते हैं हम यहीं पे रहते हैं, यही हमारे घर है. अब ये awkward हो रहे हैं.
हमारे भाई हैं, ये सब कुछ है.
So lots of questions, lots of learnings, and then Zoka apparently, like when it started, it just we didn't expect the response that we got.
Yeah.
And it was like, so it was just it was amazing. And then we thought कि अच्छा अब तो कैफे खोल लिया है, successful भी हो जाएगा, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. Then he was like अच्छा अभी आगे क्या करना है, ऐसे बैठे रहना है. अच्छा then we were like अच्छा अभी और भी करना पड़ेगा काम.
How many years now?
It's gonna turn 4. Yeah, so we've now literally like revived. The property was completely like almost dead. We've revived it, we've renovated it, obviously stage by stage, step by step. We opened the cafe, then we opened the bakery. So we opened a bakery, then we opened a restaurant, and then we started reviving the floors of the hotel, renovating it. So it's really old, the property. So like even nobody. The place looks new. Nobody. Also the plumbing is very old. It's all like.
So it was like a renovation, maybe some paint.
Yeah.
Then you did one hammer on the wall and suddenly everything comes. Oh, plumbing needs to go. The electrical wiring is short. This has to be done. That has to be done. But this has to be stripped off now. It was like, oh my god, it was like why can't we just build a new place rather than like this?
Difficult to, yeah.
It's very difficult.
Yeah.
Like we need to do something which kind of gives more value to people today so that they stick to us for a long time rather than constantly thinking कि और बंदे चाहिए और बंदे चाहिए और बंदे चाहिए और बंदे चाहिए क्योंकि targets नहीं meet हो रहे. I was like this will go crazy. हाँ. So we increased prices. We kind of simplified things, and before taking on people we have a call now and understand भाई आपको चाहिए क्या. If they say okay तगड़े भी होना है, फिर running में भी top करना है, फिर weight भी. If we have 10 things, then we kind of okay, are you okay doing just one thing for the next 3 months? If yes, then we can take you on. Otherwise, then it's going to be a waste of your time, our time, your money, and then you're going to eat our head.
Before race day, pressure. I was just telling my coach that pressure is privilege, and we keep talking about this. And I'm so grateful that I'm running here, so I don't have any nerves. I'm super excited. I just want to wake up tomorrow and just smash that run. So that's my mindset. I feel like mindset is what makes you run. Train तो मैंने कर लिया और काफी I've put in a lot of work. So I feel like now I have to run this race with a big heart, and that's what I'm going to do.
Before the race day feels.
मैं बहुत बहुत मज़ा आएगा और मैं अंडर 5 निकाल के बताऊंगा.
Wow. Hi Ritu auntie. So this is before race day. What do you want to say to your kids?
Just go on the field and kill it.
And how do you feel?
Veera and Sid, and I'm sure they'll do.
And what about Bhag?
Where is Bhag? Aapke piche. Bhag?
There. See?
No, he's very busy. He'll do the best.
Wow. So Masi, one message before the race day to all these guys who are running.
They are working so hard. They all should win in their respective races.
क्या लग रहा है?
You're not supposed to. Buddhi atma, buddhi हड्डियाँ.
What please you do?
No. बुद्धि हड्डियों के ऊपर बच्चों को
You do
बिठा
ना?
दिया.
Double click वो वाला button.
How? Wait, I'm just trying to get everybody in this frame car.
They can't afford a taxi and a boat.
After we win the prize money, we will spend it. Before that, we will be confused.
Fine 466.
Congratulations! So proud of you! Proud of you! Maggie! Woo!
Bye.